What's up, guys? Doing DansComp unboxing. So stoked for this shit. As you can tell, I can't stop smiling no matter what I do. So it's just gonna have to be, alright? Got some shit in here. Woo! Cut that shit right open.
And we just got home too.
Like a fucking banana. Ready for shit? Look. Oh, bam. Ready? Ready?
Oh no. That. I might slow-mo it and put that little gangster music in.
But, no, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Cut that shit wide open. You get shit back here. Right. Look at this shit. Woo. Look at these. Oh.
What are those? No.
What we got in here? Got shit.
That's a receipt.
What the fuck is this?
Coupons on the back.
We heart our customers. Oh, get some coupons.
Coupon, man. Coupon.
Free shipping. Oh, they changed their thing. Ooh, DansComp sticker. Ooh, yeah, got a new DansComp sticker. Don't need that shit. Alright. Oop, another DansComp sticker. Don't want to damage that. Alright.
Show me some stickers.
We got the... Where's the knife? What the hell did I just do with it? Oh, right there. Thank you, sir. Alright, got the tree integrated headset.
Let's see what that is like.
Damn it. Shit. Let's just set this down there. Got the spacers. I got the set this here. Let's sit right there. Spacers. Hold on to this one.
Put them right here.
Get the dust cover, ground race, and the bearings. Check that shit out. Hell yeah. Ooh, those are nice. Alright.
Just the headset. It was on sale.
Yeah. It was like 18 bucks and usually it's like 28. Alright, now on to the best thing here. Got the Madeira bottom bracket. 19 millimeter. It's pretty dope.
You're not gonna open it?
No.
Alright, he's not gonna open it, but Madeira, if you like it, buy it. DansComp. Or is that on sale too?
What?
The bottom bracket.
No. We got the Duo high street tires. 2 of them.
I really like these tires. These are the. They go up to 65 psi. They, you know they have them in 110 psi, right?
Yeah, no. But there's no more.
No. What size are they?
2.4.
2.4. So if you like them, go to DansComp.
This is the receipt.
So that's everything you got.
Right there.
You paid $92.80.
Yes, sir.
For actually pretty good stuff. Actually.
I'm not going to show the prices of the stuff because it's got my information on there.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
Yes.
So dope.
Back up here. Alright guys, that's it. We're done with DansComp unboxing.
Yeah, a little one.
Yeah, it was a small one, but I just got some new stuff.
And he actually gave me his old tires, which is pretty sweet.
They're the Chase D hard tires.
Yeah, I'll show you them on my bike in a minute.
Alright.
So the next clip should be Barry's bike with the tires on. I'm gonna get it outside, get like a clip with it, I guess. I don't know. Alright, see you then. Yep. So here is Barry's bike with his new Duo tires and his new bearings and Madeira bottom bracket. And here's my bike. Barry gave me the old tires. Where are these? Chase
D Hart.
Chase D Hart tires. I got rid of the Colt Vans. He has them now because they're wore down. I do have his bars. He let me use his bars because they're bigger. No, I fixed my stem, so all you guys can quit bitching about how I got my stem upside down. Fixed my stem, so it rides like a dream. Like, seriously. Still gotta get my front rim. There's a lot of things I want, but I'm pretty sure the axle for my Stolen Rampage is coming next. It's a quick, about $20 build. Alright guys, that was the end of the video. Well, the unboxing. If you like the unboxing, give me a like on this video. And it's like raining right now, which sucks. As soon as we come out and ride, it like pours. Alright. Don't know when I'm gonna upload, but we'll see.
Alright, I'm gonna make this back to porn.
Alright. So that's the end of the video. If you guys like it, like, subscribe, share, comment. Oh my god, look at my hair. Oh my god. I don't care. But yeah. Alright guys. It's starting to rain, so I'm going in. Peace.